classic agent style. So, how Karima handle knowing that you're an agent?
Patsy no know nothing at all. I'm just tell you now, say, when you see she come round, you know why I'm out sleeping and saying nothing at all about it. She can't know nothing. Well, at least, right now.
Moreover's not bad, bro. But that not shake up your system. If you know say you have a secret like that, I hide from her.
It's necessary. And you look back on it, Zane, because I fear safety to you know. Because if me get compromised, she can then have real serious trouble. And at the same thing, don't end up free. That's why you just don't know.
Or if I tell you the truth, in the beginning, maybe kind of feel that way still. But after a while, it makes sense, you see it, and then put myself in a phone situation. And then it good. Oh, Patsy, tell me about she alright?
She'll get a little better, you know. I'm not talking about just physical, but emotionally. Because it shake her. But she'll come round.
Boy, brother, just go and support her, you know, because she's gonna need it.
You know that, man. And that's the idea, you know?
Surprisingly, good. He keep a party with us last night without a permit, so I'd have to talk to him about that.
Oh, that's why I say bark out and things out the door. But when you go in a country, yesterday you gonna teach your class.
Yes, sir. One boy and his friend them claims to them block the road, and him want to turn it into one entertainment center.
Entertainment center? The road?
Not really out of the road, like under the shop and right at our gate at the same attack.
Well, if people want to use the front of the shop, do what you have to do. I mean, it's another way of generating income. Just tell me, someone, get the necessary documents together.
That's exactly what I talk to him about. I look on my phone and see one big party I go on. I have to call the station and tell them to give them a blind.
Well, you have to know now, so you can't abuse your links. By the way, Tony, you tell Karim about your brother?
Me not plan to tell him today, you know, because I don't want him to find out.
Alright, well, Angle business. Because you know you can't keep no more secrets from Karim. With that said, I just pass through to make you know what I got happen with Sean, because I know why you're here by the wayside. We go. I go keep you posted with some more shows where I come up. And the rehearsal schedules. From time to time, I go want you spearhead some of the rehearsals there. Alright? I forgot talk to Pops now, cause I get some information on this Miranda Suarez girl.
I just open enough information for she left the country and she get locked up. Come not trust that girl there.
Neither do I, Tony. I go talk to Pops and hear what I say. Me call you later.
Alright.
Boy, bro, secret never good enough. But sometimes you have to just save it. You have to keep it to ensure so you're the person them safe. But I understand.
Brother, I know if you deal with it. You see on my side. I know when to make the move, see? But you see, with you now, I'm just glad to say your side more free. Tony and get forget it off our chest. Because believe me, you did a bad art.
Makes sense.
You alright, sir?
Yes, Miss Bubbles. I'm okay. I'm on a personal reason, you know?
Alright. Now you know, say you're part of the family. Make sure you get Tony and all the support you can.
Yeah, Miss Bubbles, what you mean? Tell you the truth. I love how you groom her. It help her to become the woman she is today, so, you know? Big respect for that also. But,
No worries.
I'll do right.
What got you? You have to do the right thing. Cause you know what I'm circling.
No,
Okay.
no circle. No circle, no square.
Okay.
Big boss, respect again. Yeah.
Next time we forward, you know, you have to line up for one table and hold that thing.
Yeah, man. 2 Spitfire, man. No, I ain't the king.
No, brother.
Spitfire. Been a while.
Oh, you look like you forget to know.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Alright.
Alright. Hey, sexy lady. You alright?
Never been better. You?
Yeah, I'm good. I have you.
Come here. I have something to tell you.
Another secret?
That's something when me find out recently. But I don't know about it.
Alright.